Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, let me continue with ongoing live testimony of civil justice process displaying scandal of Vatican Satan teams. This testimony is about deadliest crime of Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Pope Francis created, Roman Empire, crucifixion, shame process mandate, classification type, global warming, climate change types of classifications worldwide as one of the gateway pathways to enforce tax hell mandate in all nations across the globe with fatal negligence. So, civil justice must be served. Now, what is the public awareness? All nations and USA nation as of January 2021 must never have any Holocaust, Nazism, hell mandate, climate change, global warming is the wisdom. So, I will provide the civil justice process in parts, okay, for an easier layman understanding. So, civil justice part A is Satan Pope Francis must pay tax free $500,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily for forever for Pope Francis created global warming. And for I am displaying all deadliest crimes of Antichrist, Satan, Lucifer, Pope Francis to USA government. The civil justice is Pope Francis must resign now, and I become the Vatican leader with salary of 250,000 per annum to provided to provide and I can provide patented design solutions task in next 5 years and beyond, and I can quit early as needed, and I become global chief supreme civil judge of USA and all nations, and I become global supreme chief medical director for all nations to lead Center for Disease Control, World Health Organization, and medical services and welfare services worldwide. For I am displaying deadliest Lucifer, Satan, Antichrist, Pope Francis teams to the USA government. I am the only one eligible to be Chief of Police General to lead entire police, FBI services, CIA, and National Intelligence Services, and Pentagon and military, as in Army, Navy, Marine, Navy SEALs of each national military services worldwide across the globe. And Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name, and all nations will thank me infinite later. And each absolute monarch's faces of Pope Francis across the globe worldwide, as in Egypt Pope, Greece Pope, Russia Pope, then Sicily, Italy Archbishop and Co-Prince of Andorra and Spain, then France leader and Co-Prince of Andorra and Spain, then Queen of England, Queen Elizabeth II, then Islam leaders of Organization of Islam Cooperation, then United Arab Emirate leaders, then Dalai Lama, then Guru Nanak, yoga gurus, human gods addressed as Pharisees must should pay tax free $500,000 to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide daily forever for Satan Pope Francis created global warming. Then the extended civil justice processes. Each Satan, Roman Empire, province, Jesuit leader in all 50 states of USA as of January 2021 and beyond must pay tax free $500 billion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever for Pope Francis created global warming. And then the extended civil justices, President Trump, President elect Joe Biden, the Republican government teams as in GOP, Congress, House of Representatives, Senate Speaker, and Democrat government as in teams as in GOP, Senate, Congress, House of Representatives, then Center for Disease Control, World Health Organization must pay tax-free $500 billion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide for Pope Francis created global warming. So this is all that is all is the civil justice served for deadliest Republica Jesuits leaders, scandal of Vatican process model, and the satanic leader Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, created global warming, and the civil justice is served. It can help when USA government provides immediate finance aid as a salary using direct deposit process. For I am displaying all USA government operation errors and displaying all the scandal of Vatican with proof, and all the crimes are deadliest $1 trillion worth of errors of Vatican leader, and Pope Francis is classified as a wild, endangered human species, disqualified to live in this earth, and he must immediately get out of the earth now. So I hope you all are happiest of being educated on wisdom of awareness on birthrights. So each crime, just be aware, each crime of Pope Francis Satan is deadliest, okay, and the crime cannot be forgiven because the severity level of the crime is very highest, and Pope Francis must never be living in the whole or in this holy earth, and yet allowed to live free is a deadliest crime, and that is why United States of America nation is handcuffed by I am that I am. So I will provide more proofs of scandal of Vatican. So other than that, that is pretty much it. So thank you all for your time. Bye for now.